as I said, we will keep on covering this. The last update I have before I entered and went live was 2 terrorists have been gunned down. If they're the same is a question right now. By tomorrow we will have more clarity.
2 को मार भी दिया गया.
So if I have your permission, I would like to start with
सही बात है, सीधा स्टूडेंट साइट ही होना चाहिए इन पे तो,
which is the Arctic region.
कोई पब्लिक.
Again, we all can have a conversation on this. I would love to do that also. But UPSC preparation, you have to sometimes accept these things, but also wait for the response. Okay. Now the first topic deals with the concept of the Arctic region being now becoming a very important area, which can now be considered as an ecological hotspot at the same point of time, but an economic hotspot also. So one of the biggest challenges which most of the maritime trade faces today, Malgam, you want to see on the map, this is Malgam, this is Srinagar, this is Anantnag. This area itself is very sensitive because of the Amarnath. Now, so Arctic region was an ecologically sensitive area because of the very diverse biodiversity we have in that sector. But because of global warming and climate change, we are seeing that the Arctic ice is melting. Now, at this point of time, there is now an opportunity which has been created. If it is a good opportunity or a bad opportunity is a separate issue altogether. Because the biggest challenge which maritime trade had was to go through the Pacific to the Atlantic, and from the Atlantic to the Indian Ocean. Now for Indian Ocean you have the Suez Canal, for Pacific to Atlantic you have the Panama Canal, but to reach Panama you have to in a way come down towards the Gulf of Mexico or America, whatever you want to call it, and thereafter go into the Pacific. Global warming has accelerated the process. 12% quicker the Arctic ice is melting, which in turn has led to this concept that we now have a very interesting route developing over the Arctic Circle. Now you have the magnetic North Pole here, the North Pole here, and the pole of inaccessibility, all three aligned very neatly at the North Pole of India, of the world itself. And previously, this route which you see here, the orange route for the Northeast Passage, was available but was not very viable because of the thickness of the snow, and that Canadian sector mostly freezes or is frozen for most of the year. Now, what has happened is, because of the Arctic Circle ice melting, the Russian route, or the route which is hugging the Russian coastline, is now available, which is called the very interesting Northern Sea Route. This one, which you see here,